The best thing about living on campus at Eastern Michigan University is developing friendships with people around you, or just building the relationships that you might not have at your hometown. My RA, she made our floor kind of like a family, and we all were really connected to each other, and we all we just were a really good family and a good experience. And this year, I've had the same experience as a CP. My typical day is waking up, getting dressed, going to class, and then going to breakfast, lunch, or dinner with friends or by myself. And then I would go to my desk shift, and then I would go back to the residence hall and do my homework and then go to sleep. What I like about eating at Eastern Michigan University is that there are many options, and they're based around different types of food genres, I guess I could say. And my favorite place to possibly go to would be the marketplace, because it's close and they offer a lot of options when I'm hungry. My best advice for living on Eastern Michigan's campus would be that you have the availability to go visit your friends. It's besides then going to their house and driving how far you can go to your friend. They're just right there, and sometimes you might need a friend during the year, and many of my friends have been there for me.